Hey guys, so if you have a question, if you can use the Steam Deck while charging, when plugged, like someone asked here, if I'm playing a game while charging, will it use the device battery or will it pull power from the adapter, not touching the onboard battery? When plugged in to sufficient power charger, the deck doesn't use the battery at all. Power passes through. Does charging while playing damage the battery health? Not in the least. Playing while plugged in is the best thing for the battery health. If a battery service is required, does Valve offer replacements? Yes, Valve partnered with iFixit for most replacement parts. Batteries go down, so changing is a bit of the process. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So since then, I've plugged in. I checked the battery health the other day and it was still showing 100%. So after 3 months of playing, 95% of time plugged into the charger, it isn't showing any signs of battery deterioration. And it is with probably in the region of 400, 500 hours playtime, and this is huge. So always play on your Steam Deck while charging.